In this video, we're going to dive a bit deeper into action flows within Okta Workflows Connector Builder, specifically how to add options for action flows. Options allow the user to specify data on an action when adding the card to a workflow. The values selected are static and will be the same each time the workflow calls the action. Options differ from inputs in that inputs allow workflows to provide different data with each execution. Here we see a pre-configured action flow, where we've configured an option. We have one option field called request type. This is a drop-down list, but we also have the ability to add free-form text fields if we want. If we expand this field, we see we have multiple values defined. These happen to be the typical HTTP request methods. Alternatively, we could use a helper flow to generate these drop-down values. We can also see we've made this option required. Looking at the preview card to the right, we can see how this will look on the action card in Okta Workflows. If we take a look at the action flow itself, we can see how the option values are used within this flow. And when we add this action card to a workflow, we can see we're prompted to select an option before configuring anything else.